Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. This video I'm going to pick up a couple rocks.
Okay, well,
And things don't go quite so well at first. Definitely a few problems on the way, a few bumps. But in the end, it gets done. So thanks a lot for watching.
okay, good morning. What we're doing today, I have to go and pick up a couple of rocks from a stump grinding job. There's a couple of rocks in somebody's front yard. Might have to give it a boost, it looks like. Okay, the excavator won't start. Let's see if we can boost it with the Bobcat. This thing usually starts better in the cold, so we'll see. Come on. No, not this one too. Okay, it appears I can't find my normal battery charger. You know, I almost think it got stolen from here maybe, because I can't, I checked all the places it would be. That's not too good. So I'll have to use the little charger. Hopefully this will get it going. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully there's enough juice getting to it now. Looks like I'm gonna have to leave it for a few minutes here. We're in 350, F350. Let's see if this thing can start. I had to cycle the glow plugs a couple times. Let's see if we can get it. Nice. Good when something starts anyway. So we'll give this a few minutes to warm up. Hopefully the excavator is going to get a little bit of charge in that battery. We can get that started and load up in the trailer and go and grab these couple of rocks. So we will see. If I had the bigger charger, this would have started by now for sure, but this thing just doesn't, little charger doesn't give it enough juice. So got the truck started. Let's see what this thing's going to do. See if this works. Just kind of cycling it a couple times. Okay. No. Man, this is going to take a little bit of time, I think. Okay, well, it's still not starting, so I'm going to have to just go and try to get these rocks by hand. I have a big dolly in the back that's meant for tree dolly, stone dolly, so we're going to have to do that because I think it's going to take too long to get this thing to charge and start. It's pretty cold. It's about 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit right now. That's just a shot of the pond there. Slowly digging that out. Hope I can get these rocks out by hand. Oh, not the way I wanted to do this. But let's see what happens. So we're going to get going. Going to do this manually. I hope to God that these rocks aren't too big. And I don't regret this. The thing I'm most worried about is just getting them up the ramp with the trailer. I should be able to get them on the big dolly, no problem, but the trailer might be another problem. Okay, hopefully this goes smooth. Try the big one first, I guess. Oh, Jesus. Hello, how are you? Pretty good. Pretty good. I couldn't get the excavator started, so I got to try to do this by hand. So it should be okay. No, it's okay. Yeah, if I can get a run at it, it'll be fine. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it'll just take me a few minutes for sure. Yep. Oh, no problem at all. Yeah, this is a good sturdy dolly, and once I get a bit of a run on the ramps, should be no problem. And this is the biggest one. The other two should be no problem. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, one more. There we go.
It was at this point I knew I was in trouble. It was going to be tough.
If I can just get this one in, I'll just slide it up the ramp. The rest will be good. Okay. Whew. Try again.
Here I knew I wasn't doing it by myself, and the homeowner wasn't supposed to be home, and the last thing I wanted to have him do was be out there doing that type of stuff with me, but he was a really good guy and he
Okay.
offered to help, so.
Maybe just help me pull down on this. Okay. Drop it. So just watch the handle come up. Okay, whoa. Okay. Yeah. There we go. And from here, I'll just inch it up myself. It's okay. Oh, thank you, though.
I will come back.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'm not supposed to be late.
Okay, no problem at all. Well, thank you for your help, though. Thanks. Wow. That big one's a lot heavier than I thought.
So that was a failed mission back home. Even though the rock looked like it was right up on the ramp, I'd move it up an inch and it would slide right back down on the metal ramp. And a couple times I just about pinched my fingers, so it just wasn't worth it to keep going. I gave it a shot anyway, but I knew it was going to be tough.
No problem.
Yeah, well, I was trying to stay positive looking to the customer, but yeah, at that point, yeah, I already knew things weren't looking too good. So
Here we are the next day. Okay, we're back. That went a little bit smoother than the last time, thankfully.
that's always good for the back.
Okay, that's better. Okay, I guess I'm going to wrap up the video here. Just going to park the truck and trailer, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.